The next ayah is actually a scene from Hellfire as this torture is happening. And there it's being said, Ya ayyuhalladhina kafaru, la ta'tathiru al-yawm. Those of you who've disbelieved, don't make excuses today. Al-ma'adhir makadhib, right? Don't make excuses today. Why are they being told that? What excuses? Well, the previous ayah said, you were already given what to believe. You have to believe there's a danger of fire, you have to protect yourself, you have to protect your family, you have to become proactive in doing so, you have to take practical, serious measures in doing so. If you didn't, you denied that warning. You're a disbeliever, at least in that warning. Don't make excuses now, don't act like you didn't know. You were told very much. Ayah 6 is enough proof that you were told. Ayah 7, don't give me excuses. إِنَّمَا تُجْزَوْنَ مَا كُنْتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ. You're only being compensated the very thing you were up to. It's not any different. That's just your own behavior. The believer listens to these ayat with attention and is shocked. Allah in dunya is calling me from أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and if I don't get my act together, I will be addressed in the akhirah as Ya ayyuhal ladhina kafaru. That rattles my mind, it shakes my heart. And so the next ayah says, then get your act together. Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu tubu ilallah. If that shook you up, make tawbah to Allah. Turn back to Allah. Tawbatan nasuha. A sincere, immediate, one-time, complete tawbah. Generally, Allah accepts all kinds of tawbah. All kinds of tawbah. And all kinds of tawbah is the word tawb. So he says, قَابِلِ التَّوْبِ. I'm accepting all forms of tawbah. That's tawb, generally. But then there's tawbatan. This ta marbuta is used in Arabic. We say masdar marra. Like darbatan. Like fi'latan. Right? You remember this? So the ta marbuta is for a singular instant. Allah is making a call in this ayah. Those of you who have iman, make tawbah to Allah. Make it one solid, sincere, final, life-changing tawbah. Not tawbah, astaghfirullah. And then like a day later, tawbah, I did it again, astaghfirullah. Allah is saying make a decision. Masdar marra is used to say make one tawbah and do it right. Make that final decision. You know how when somebody takes shahada, their life changes forever? They've made that one big tawbah to Allah. It's like the shahada itself is a form of tawbah. You've repented from all your previous lifestyle, you've turned to Allah. That's the kind of tawbah Allah wants the believers to have. Listen, you just need to make a serious decision when you hear this ayah. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu tubu ilallahi tawbatan nasuha. A sincere. Nasuha itself actually includes the meanings of ikhlas. Mean it.